What's your name? What?
It's getting me. Look, it's 20. 22, 23, 24, 25.
All right. Bye.
I hope you guys are drinking your water and minding your business. But if you aren't, it's okay. If you are doing the work of the Lord. But either way, I really want to welcome you guys back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but a lot has been happening. And now that I'm in the house for forever, indefinite, I might as well record some videos, right? So I hope you guys are washing them hands outside. Matter of fact, outside of washing, drinking your water and minding your business, I hope you washing your hands and keeping your hands out your face. That's what I hope you doing before you catch the Rona. But okay, done with my ignorance. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. I really do hope that this year has been okay for you. But no matter what, even what you had planned, vision board or not, God is still going to work it out for you. Fully believe that it will happen. So I am coming because I was sent some products. And what do I do when I get products, y'all? Review and come to y'all and let y'all know what's up, okay? Influenster sent me another box from, that was probably way longer than it was supposed to be, but Carol's Daughter, whoop whoop. My latest box has come from Carol's Daughter, which is a brand that has been around for over 20 years, started by a Black female addicted to retail, not that part, but a Black female from Brooklyn that was suggested by her mother, which gives the name Carol's Daughter, and she has this natural hair care product. Now, have I used this product prior to getting it for free? No. Would I use it afterwards? Yes, because I still have some that I have to use. But I am just happy that it's a Black female working in this industry. She is now in 30,000 stores. She is with the L'Oreal family and Target, all that great stuff. She started from the bottom and now she's here, okay? That really shows you that hard work and dedication, because that 30K was just in like the last year, and she started back in like 1991, if I'm not mistaken. So actually like 30 years, because I'm a 90s baby, and so I'm reaching 30, so yes. But I almost 30 years, but I am just coming to review it. So I have washed my hair and I've used every product that I've been given. I decided to give you guys a new little do to go with it. You guys know I'm very classic for my puff, but I decided to give you guys some swoop edges and a little rubber band do, okay? Something nice and simple for you, period, rhyme, bars. You can tell I haven't been here for a long time. I have no structure going on right now, but that's all right. So let's get into this, what products I received. So this is the Goddess Strength and Length System, okay? That is the set of products that I received. I received 4 things. We're gonna go over them. You can see some of them right here. Let's see. Unreachable lengths are now in reach. Harness the power of exotic spice with reimagined treatment, stimulating the scalp and strengthening hair. So this is the most natural recipe, has black chumming seeds, ginger, along with renowned castor oil. Makes your hair 15 times stronger and 94% less breakage in one use. With using all products, they want to put that in there. You use one of them, you might go down to 60, okay? You use 2, 80. That's what they saying. You gotta use all of them to get the 94%, okay? So, cute little divot that they sent me. And so, this whole thing retails for $41.36, if I'm not mistaken. It's on sale. It was originally like $46. So I'm very gracious to be receiving all of this wonderful hair care products. My hair care products usually are Aunt Jackie's, Urban Hydration, which I did a couple years ago. I'm still using them. They're actually the ones inside the puff once I was done using the products that I have to kind of give my curls some definition. So still using them. So let's just go over the products. Let me stop with y'all. Let me stop playing with y'all. So this is the box that it came in. Probably the heaviest box I received, honestly. So I have the shampoo for weak and break bone hair, castor oil, and all that good stuff, okay? That's what this one is. Then I got the conditioner, all right? Then I also got the leave-in conditioner, okay? Cool stuff. And I also got the 7 oil blend hair and scalp oil, okay? So these are all the products I received. This is what you would receive if you were to buy this package for the $41. So I had a wig, actually. I was gonna say sew-in, but I had a wig, so my hair was cornrowed back. I hadn't used the product yet. Well, I started using it once I got it, so I would put the leave-in conditioner in between and the oil just to kind of retain that moisture while I had my braids in. And then once I took them out, I kind of chilled, didn't feel like dealing with my hair, and I washed my hair this weekend. So I washed my hair on Monday. So today is Wednesday, so that means that it's been 2 3 days, okay, with me being, because I did it in the evening, so 2 full days is where we are with this. So as my hairdresser told me, I'm gonna tell you what she told me. You guys can debate if you want to, but she tells me that I have 4B hair, okay? Because of the way my curls are a little bit more defined and a little bit more coily, or like this. I can't remember which way it's supposed to go, and that's what she identified me as. Now, one thing that I struggle with is probably, what most people in the 4 category is with retaining moisture. I don't really have a breakage problem. Now, most people really dislike me because I'm probably the laziest natural person you will meet. I promise you, I will rock that puff until puffs can't rock. Okay, like I will rock that puff because I just don't feel like doing my hair. Now, I'll spice it up every now and then and give y'all a little half up, half down, a little something, but I will put it in a protective style quick, okay? Quick. And so, which the only reason why you guys are getting it, because I have to do this video. I wanted to make an appointment this week. I wanted to put my hair back up, okay? But I knew I had to do this video. So I waited. But yeah, so that's kind of how I did it. So I used the shampoo, washed my hair twice, came in, used the conditioner, detangled, okay? Now I did have a lot of detangling I had to do, but I get the little cocoa puffs on the end. That's what I call them, little cocoa puffs on the end that I have to kind of work through. So kind of detangled, sat. Then I came back, washed my hair in lukewarm water, and then I came back in and I used the leave-in conditioner and I put the oil in my hair. I put the oil in my hair right before I came to you guys, so you guys can kind of see it in its entirety. Now I did use Edge Boost for my edges, just so I can show you guys, these slick moves. because that's really the only thing that really holds down my hair. But yeah, so that's just kind of a review. Overall, it's not hard. It's not crispy, right? So I don't really have a problem with it. And it smells pretty okay. I feel like the oil could have something better to it, but I mean, it has castor oil and that stuff in it, so it really doesn't have like that smell to it, but it definitely smells clean. My hair smells clean, is what I'll say. Like, you can smell my hair and be like, oh yeah, she just washed her hair. That's kind of where we're at with it. As far as, like I said, I don't really have a breakage problem. Of course, like, I get cocoa puffs and I have to detangle my hair, but that's not really the problem that I face. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep giving it some more time, but initially, one thing I do like, well, after I condition my hair and I wash it with the warm water or the lukewarm water, is I like for it to feel soft, and that was the only thing I was missing when after I took my hair or rinsed it out. I was like, it's not feeling soft. Why not? But other than that, I really like it. And as you can see, I literally just put the oil in my hair, and I didn't even put a lot, honestly. So that shows you how much my hair is still kind of retaining the moisture. So if it does that, then I'm giving it an A, just because of the fact that, like I said, that's the problem that I really do have. But I do like the fact that it's going to make my hair long, because my hair is coming, like, once I flat iron it or whatever, and even with my curls I checked, it's hitting the back. It's going down my back now. You know, shrinkage is real. But it's going down my back now, and I'm really trying to work on getting length. I have been natural for 10 years this year, and I am just, or next year, and I am just ready to really see those results. I colored my hair a lot when I first started, which is why I had so much breakage. But now that I haven't colored my hair in 3+ years, I've really been able to see my hair grow, and I just want to be able to continue to see that, which is why I don't deal with it, because I just kind of want it to grow and then pop out with that blowout. Okay, but that's my review, very quick. I hope you guys, like I said, are staying safe, staying healthy, staying in faith, because this too shall pass. But until the next time, you guys, be blessed. Bye.